Beetle Bite. Hey guys, this is Karan from beetlebite.com, and today we are going to teach you how to register your website on dmoz.org. So first of all, if you got a website, well, like others do around, if people are in thousands of owning websites, and if you see the audience, it's around in billions or trillions then. And if you go to a site like if you just register your own site on just your personal information and all, your site would eventually die because it will not receive traffic of other people, and because it doesn't have that much quality content. And if you're here just to earn money, so first of all you'll need a .com or some renowned dot something something, because if you are getting some hosting like if you go to well, say www.beetlebite.blogspot.com. Well, it'll first of all redirect. The blog that used to be here is now at beetlebite.com. Do you wish to get redirected? The blog is hosted by blogger and has not been checked for spam, viruses or any other forms of malware. Yes or no? Well, first of all, if you read this thing, um, read this above beetlebite.blogspot.in, and you are just like you cannot remember the whole name. And it happens with most of people. They think .blogspot or .wordpress is some kind of a virus of a thing. And if you go to the main site, which is here, it's much easy to remember, and you're not like, yeah, it's it will not have a virus because it's a .com domain name, and you seriously can get a .com domain name for around $10 from. Well, there is a post name advantages of having a custom domain name on my website. You can see that, and after seeing that, you can just go to how to register a custom domain name or blogger, so that you can just you know make your own domain name, link it to Google, link it to something else, and generate money. Like in I'm not talking much about, in if you say you can generate around $10 to $15 a month if you start like I'm starting at the moment. You can generate $10 to $15 per month, and that can eventually just inaugurate into something big. Like if you go to buysellaads.com, you can earn somewhere from, if you got some traffic, around 1,000 persons visiting your website per day, you can earn something around $100 to $1,000. You can go to this website, just buy their ads, sell their ads, and that's it. So let's go, just don't get diverted from the topic. So let's leave all the things, and to see, first of all, I'll tell you that there's a big source of money sitting there, and just going to a few selected websites. It's around 1,000 people having a website, then a billion people surfing the web for their website but getting to someone else's website. And if you want to show them your website, you get to register yourself on search engines like google.com or something like that. So for that, you need to get registered in some kind of a nice directory. So the main priority on search engines device list is dmoz.org. So let's go to dmoz.org. So here it is. Well, it's quite, you will say, just not complicated. It's simple. Just you can go to anywhere and just submit your website. So if your website is on computers, which mine is, so you'll go and you can find anything in between these, and then just we'll first see my website is not registered. Let's show many because beetle bites hurt and people search for them, but restricting search category also will buy. So it's not showing my website, and it's showing on Alta Vista, Gigabyte, Google, Lycus, Bing, and Tioma, Yahoo. Actually, these are the main search engines which come here, crawling and just take websites from there. So I'll show you just yeah, here. So I found some category which I like mine website is from consumer information, electronics, and web blog. It's a web kind of a web blog if you see my website. And then I have to see just one thing. Just come down here. Category editors. Well, this category has three editors. You know, uh, this website is actually the main point why Google and Yahoo and Gigabyte or like is anyone suggests, because these have main human editors, not you know just bots or something crawling about looking for some crappy website or just listing them for money. These actually get works done by human editors. Well, if it says category editors, volunteers needed, just don't go in for that. Well, mine one has three editors. Well, thanks to that, and a few of well, to say not more, but tell you, Engadget is listed here, Gizmodo is listed here, Gadgetopedia is listed here, Techie Blog is listed here, and much more. Trendy Gadget, and well, I'm going in for this. Then you have to suggest URL. Well, you can just put in some time. Well, here we are. Category, this is this. Category description, if you want. If you go, I will not go. I'll just go back. Well, your URL www.wheelbyte.com. What type of link this is? A regular link, PDF, RSS, or an Atom link? Well, mine is a regular link. Well, site light, so Wheelbyte. In simple words, this is please supply a short and descriptive title. Well, mine is always opt for the official name of the website. Mine is do not use all capital letters. Mine not. Exclude promotional language in the title. Okay, excluded. Site description. Do not use any HTML tags or caps. Blah blah blah. Okay, so let's do uh, all about the latest technology for you. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Your email address. Yep, here just user verification. W6X2. Yep. Get new text now. Blah blah blah. I've read the agreement and signed. And well, I guess there would be a button here. If my net is slow, it's not showing up. Nope. Yeah, submit. Your site submission has been received. An editor will review your submission or inclusion in the directory. Once your site is accepted, it may take around 2 weeks from several months to be your site listed in partner sites like Open Directory, AOL, Alta Vista, Hotbot, Google, Lycus, Netscape, etc. We make updates on data, blah blah blah, and everything. Apply to become an editor. If you want to become an editor, you can, and then you can just you know apply for your own website and then accept it. But tell you, dmoz is quite simple, and it can just bring you you know members in around thousands of people. Well, saying mine is it's not been listed till now, as you can see, but it takes around a few months, around 3 months or 6 months. If you take, you have to visit every in a week or so. You have to see the listing if your listing has processed some farbit or something. If it doesn't happen in 6 weeks, just make a new submission in some other category, and remember not to submit in a category without editor. And that's it. It's actually, owning a website is not the main cause of the pain. The pain is actually maintaining it, uh, just putting blog posts every day, just putting posts every day, and maintaining your website. That's not easy. Well, to tell you, and if you are not into something and you just want to come in to just earn money, and if you don't like it, I'll just suggest keep away from it. Find a topic that you like I liked technology. So, and I wanted to help people learn, educate them about it. So I just created a website on it, and you can see people like Yahoo. I don't want to go into mail. Yahoo.com. Yep. These guys created a news site, a mail site, an answer site, and they receive around thousands of views because they like to do it. You can take another example of Google.com. They made a website to search, and they make billions in a year or so. And if you want to just develop gradually into something like this, something big like this, just leave everything else that you are just running for, and just think what you love and what you want, and that would be all. You would just be concentrated on getting that thing, and you won't look at anything else like AdSense or so, and that would make you money, generate you money, and then you know all the cycle goes round and round. That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next video.